Hello everyone. This is Team Code for Change and we present to you Sahay, your lifeline in emergencies. So what is Sahay? Sahay is a centralized platform connecting citizens, volunteers and authorities in cases of emergencies. Sahay is in its prototype stages. So let's show you all a demo. Let's start by registering. There are different options such as citizens, volunteers and authorities. So let's continue with citizen login. So the user enters his mobile number. The system generates and sends him a OTP on the registered number. The user enters the OTP, verifies and continue. Now the user has to fill in some basic details such as his or her full name, date of birth, profession and address. So this is the dashboard of Sahay, wherein the user can directly trigger an SOS message, or he could contact emergency services such as police, fire, medical, disaster, railway, and etc. These are some of the features. So e-contact. E-contact are the contacts which will receive an SOS alert as soon as the user raises an emergency. So this user is entering his father's mobile number. So his father will receive an SOS alert as soon as this user raises an emergency. These are the setting options. Next is the SOS history. So this user has created dummy SOS messages just for testing purposes. And these are the top questions, basically a user manual, how to register, how to add emergency contacts, how to complete KYC verification as a volunteer, and etc. Now we have added a feature of community field, wherein the users or the citizens put up minor issues related to infrastructure, environment, safety, health, etc. So let us put an post and keep its description as potholes on some road. This will fall into the category of infrastructure. Now this post will only be visible to people within 2 km of the radius. So the post has been created. Now there are posts which are verified by verified volunteers. These posts automatically get sent to the authorities. And we could indulge into discussion of a particular post. So in the later stages of this prototype, we plan on integrating Google Maps, which will take the access of the user's location all the time. Another is a feature of triggering an SOS via 3 times pressing the volume button. Another such feature is of providing the user with an SOS management user manual, which will help the user survive in case of an emergency if there is no network connection and there are no services near.